Right here is a cup holder rack. Very easy to set up and build. Comes with a few different pieces, but you can adjust this at any height that you want. So we're gonna use this for coffee cups and make a rack, a shelf a little bit more organized. Also, it can be double stacked, so you can have two of these going high. Has nice little rubber grips down here at the bottom that you can attach on, as well as you put in a screw right here, and then that will fold up and can also be mounted to the wall. So it comes with everything you need. And here's our coffee cup shelf that we're gonna try to organize and do a little bit better job at, because we've got some wasted space. Let's put it in. And once you get it organized, this is what it looks like. So you can adjust the height of this shelf. If you've got some bigger cups underneath, then this can go up even higher. But you can definitely double stack your cups, especially if you got a lot of cups, and make it a little bit more organized. So this is a great shelf. And like I said, it's got a double deck. So if you have more space, you'll be able to stack 4 cups high and be able to have a huge coffee cup collection. But this is a great product. Highly recommend. Definitely pick up one of these if you're trying to organize.